Hey everyone, it's Kelly from Anima. Now that you've paired the plugin, I want to show you guys how you can start building high-fidelity prototypes and syncing the design to Anima. So on my screen here, I am in Adobe XD. I have a project that I've been working on, and I have the Anima plugin open here on the left. So in my design, I used Anima to create forms that will be fully functioning when you preview in browser, and then also added some videos and micro animations like hover effects and entrance animations. So I've done all that. What I'm ready to do now is preview it in browser. So I'm going to just select an artboard and click this button down here. After that loads and processes for a bit, it'll open up a browser window. So I'm going to go over to that right over here. And this will be the preview of your design translated into code. So if you're happy with everything, everything looks great, you can just click this button up here to sync it to your project. So once you sync the design, this allows you to make comments on it, collaborate with your team. You can leave it, come back to it at a later time, and that will be it for that. If you have any questions, let us know. We are happy to help. You can reply directly to the email. See ya.